Hi guys, my name is Snazzy, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Eggo toaster waffles. Let's do this. So first, you're going to want to take your box of toaster waffles, walk it over to your toaster. Now you're going to want to take out the amount of waffles that you want. I, in this case, want 2 waffles. Now you're going to take those waffles and you're going to drop those into your toaster. Right, you're going to hit that toaster down and you're going to press the defrost button, wherever that is. I think it's over there. I hope that was the right button. It was. Alright. Now to go along with these, I'm also going to teach you how to make sausages. Let's do this. Alright, this is very complicated. You're going to want to go up to your stove. You're going to want to look at your stove. Turn on the burner. Turn it on to about 5 or 6, about medium heat. Now you're going to want to take your sausages. Alright, get those bastards out of there. Alright, toss that box aside. Rip these babies apart and just throw them on in there. Hell yeah. Good job. You just made sausages. Now all that comes to do now is to wait. I'm breaking shit. Cool. If you're feeling impatient, you can turn up the heat. I'm turning up the heat to 8. It should not be that high, but I'm very impatient. Now, while your sausages start to cook, you're going to want to shake the pan. Keep those sausages moving. You do not want these to burn. Remember, these things are basically already cooked. You do not want to overcook them. Just listen to that. Can you hear it? Can you hear the beautiful sizzle? Majestic. Now this is very important. You're going to want to take your empty box and you're going to want to dunk that bitch. Now that you've dunked the bitch, you're ready to prepare to eat your meal. Sometimes your waffles are not quite done yet, so you can just push them down for a couple more minutes. Probably not a couple more minutes, probably about half a minute more, or else they will burn, and nobody likes burnt waffles. Can you smell it? Scrumptious, delicious sausages. By now, our sausages are about done cooking, so you can just put them aside for now. And don't forget to turn off the burner, because that can result in a house fire, and nobody wants a house fire.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Don't drop your sausages like I almost did. It's a bad idea. No sausage is a bad thing in the morning. Our waffles are now done. Now what you want to do is you want to take those waffles and put them on a plate. Look at that golden brown perfection. Now that you have your waffles and your sausage is finished cooking, is the most important part. You must combine them on your plate. Beautiful. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to smother these bastards in some sauce. Everybody loves sauce on their bastards. Trust me. Wow, look at this masterpiece that we have created. Are you not satisfied by this beauty? Congratulations. You have just made waffles with sausage. My name has been Snazzy, and it still is. Thank you for watching.
Delicious.